it's Courtney from Your House Fitness. We're going to break down glute bridge today, okay? I've worked with a lot of clients before that have been prescribed glute bridge by physiotherapists, chiropractors, usually for lower back issues. But the funny thing, of course, is that most people with lower back problems, not injury related, usually have weak butt cheeks. So we're here to strengthen your butt, okay? You're welcome, I know. So first thing you're going to want to do for a basic glute bridge is get yourself something comfy, maybe a yoga mat or whatever, if you got carpet on your floor, and then you just get to lie down. It's the greatest. You get to have a nap. All right. So you're just going to relax on the ground here. A couple of pointers before we get into this. I want you to think of tucking your chin, okay? So you get to give yourself triple chin here, okay? It's a good thing. I don't want you looking like this. Not good for the neck. Nobody needs this. So tuck your chin, pull your shoulders down, okay? That's number one. All right. You can do whatever you want with your hands. I usually just have my elbows like this and my hands on my belly or on my waist. That's fine. Then I want you to take a look at your feet, okay? So this is an exaggeration. You can have your feet flat, but I need you to understand that to activate your glutes, the weight is coming from the heels, okay? So if this is easier for you to remember how to do this, just plunk those heels down and bring the toes up. Do it like this until you get it, and then you can worry about having your feet flat and not worry that the work is going to go elsewhere, like into the quads or something, okay? So let's exaggerate the crap out of this, all right? So the other thing is, again, I'm very short, so this is a little easier for me. If I pull my heels back, I can kind of touch the back of my heel. Good thing, if you are long-legged or you find that this is really hard for you, it's okay to start out here. But I need you to know that the further out you go, the more hamstring you're going to recruit. Not a bad thing if that's your intention, but if that's not your intention, which it's not right now, you need to have those heels pretty close to the knees, okay? So if you find that you're a little tight here and that's very uncomfortable, play around until you find a distance that feels okay for you. So let's get started. I want you to think of lifting with your butt cheeks like you're squeezing a piece of paper between your butt cheeks. Now listen, I train a lot of kids, they think that's hilarious. I'm serious. Somebody gave you $1 million, no, $20 million winning lottery ticket, you're not gonna let anybody pull that, no. You're gonna pick that up with your butt cheeks and you're gonna hold on for dear life. Yes, you are. So let's get into it. That analogy really worked with the kids, all right. So pull those shoulders down, triple chin yourself, whatever you gotta do here, okay? Heels down, my feet are just a little bit wider than shoulder width apart. Shoulder width apart's fine. Then I'm going to squeeze my butt before I even lift off the floor. I've kind of tucked my hips like this. I'm squeezing my abs, squeezing my butt, and I'm pretending that I'm lifting by squeezing together, squeeze these butt cheeks, like I picked up a piece of paper with my butt cheeks. Jokes around again, but you should have no doubt that you lifted your bridge with your butt. If you didn't and you're like, I don't feel anything, I want you to come back down, reset, do it again. Squeeze your butt. Squeeze. Hold as tight as you can get those guys at the very top of this exercise. Hold for a couple of seconds. Now I want you to not rest, okay? We're gonna do 10 more. You can come down and touch the ground, that's fine, but no resting. So here we go. 1, 2, and release, okay? Again, not resting, come back up. Hold 1, 2, and release. If you're not sure, I want you to literally cope a feel here. You're gonna put your hands on your butt, and I want you to come up, come up, come up. Do you feel like those muscles are engaged? Are they squeezing? You're gonna know if you're holding on. Squeeze. Come on back down, we got a few more. But I need you to just keep thinking about squeezing your butt like you're picking up something between your butt cheeks. I know that sounds ridiculous, but honestly, it's helped me, so hopefully it helps you. Good. Keep going. Oh, yeah, now I'm getting tired. Those butt cheeks are getting tired, that's good. Squeeze. Give me 4 more, okay? So here we go. Come on back down, no resting. Squeeze. Push, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Now notice I'm not going any higher than a straight line, okay? When you come up, what I don't want you to do is go like nutso. That's not your butt anymore. You're just kind of overdoing the back. It's not necessary. Good. Squeeze. Come on, let's go a couple more here. Why not, right? Why not? Squeeze those butt cheeks. Hold at the top. Good. And let's go one more here. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Hold. Check your butt cheeks. Okay, they're engaged. I like it. Gonna lean just left and right, see how that feels. Oh, yeah, they're on fire. And then I'm gonna relax, okay? So, a couple of takeaways from that. You should have no doubt that you used your bum to do that bridge. If you did 10 reps and you didn't feel anything in your bum, might have to go and do a little bit of mobility, maybe with foam rollers, lacrosse balls, some stretches, or see a professional, okay? Get somebody to help you out with that. But when you're lifting, imagine squeezing your glutes together like you're picking a piece of paper up with your butt cheeks, the best thing I can think of, and making sure that you're not feeling this too much in the lower back, okay? Don't forget to tuck your chin, pull the shoulders down, most of the weight's in the heels, and you should be good to go with doing glute bridges in the future with all of our fancy workouts, okay? So any issues or questions, feel free to reach out to Your House Fitness, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Back to napping. Here we go.